Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on see all 42 apps, of course 42 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see, this is the list of the things your device will actually reset, so among others, default applications for actions and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.